4228. From which primary source should you obtain information regarding the weather expected to exist at your destination at your estimated time of arrival? A. Weather depiction chart. B. Surface analysis charts. C. Terminal Aerodrome Forecast. The correct answer is C. The primary source to obtain information regarding the weather expected at your destination at your estimated time of arrival is the Terminal Aerodrome Forecast, TAF. TAFs provide detailed weather forecasts specifically for airports and their surrounding areas. They include information such as wind speed and direction, visibility, cloud cover, and significant weather phenomena expected at the specified airport. Therefore, the correct answer is C, Terminal Aerodrome Forecast. 4204. What is the wind shear forecast in the following TAF? TAF KCVG2 31051Z2312/24121212 K T4SM RAB ROVC008 WS005/27050 K TTEMP 01719 and 1 by 2 SM RAF GFM 19300901-2 K T1SM DZB RVV003 BCMG 2021 5SM HZ equals A. 5 feet AGL from 270 degrees at 50 kT. B. 50 feet AGL from 270 degrees at 50 kT. C. 500 feet AGL from 270 degrees at 50 kT. The correct answer is C. WS005/27050 kT. Low-level wind shear at 500 feet. Wind 270 degrees at 50 knots. 4179. To best determine general forecast weather conditions covering a flight information region, the pilot should refer to A. Graphical Forecast for Aviation, GFA. B. Weather depiction charts. C. Satellite maps. The correct answer is A. The Graphical Forecast for Aviation, GFA, provides a comprehensive visual representation of forecast weather conditions for a specific flight information region. It includes information such as cloud cover, visibility, precipitation, turbulence, and icing potential, among other relevant weather parameters. The GFA allows pilots to quickly and easily assess the overall weather conditions along their intended route or within a specific area, providing a more detailed and specific forecast than other weather products like weather depiction charts or satellite maps. Therefore, referring to the GFA is the best way for pilots to determine general forecast weather conditions for their flight. 4092. Which is true regarding the use of airborne weather avoidance radar for the recognition of certain weather conditions? A. The radarscope provides no assurance of avoiding instrument weather conditions. B. The avoidance of hail is assured when flying between and just clear of the most intense echoes. C. The clear area between intense echoes indicates that visual sighting of storms can be maintained when flying between the echoes. The correct answer is A. While airborne weather avoidance radar can be a valuable tool for detecting and monitoring weather conditions, it does not provide a guarantee of avoiding instrument weather conditions. The radarscope displays precipitation echoes, which can indicate the presence of rain, snow, or other forms of precipitation. However, it does not provide information about other critical factors such as visibility, cloud cover, turbulence, or the presence of embedded hazards within the weather system. Pilots should use airborne weather avoidance radar in conjunction with other sources of weather information, such as weather briefings, reports from other aircraft, and updates from air traffic control. It is important to exercise caution and make informed decisions based on a comprehensive understanding of the weather conditions rather than relying solely on the radarscope for weather avoidance. 4468. Pilots on IAF or flights seeking ATC in-flight weather avoidance assistance should keep in mind that A. ATC radar limitations and frequency congestion may limit the controller's capability to provide this service. B. Circumnavigating severe weather can only be accommodated in the en route areas away from terminals because of congestion. C. ATC narrowband radar does not provide the controller with weather intensity capability. The correct answer is A. When pilots on IF are instrument flight rules, flights seek ATC, air traffic control, and flight weather avoidance assistance, they should be aware that ATC radar limitations and frequency congestion can affect the controller's ability to provide this service. ATC radar systems have limitations in terms of their coverage, resolution, and the ability to accurately depict weather intensity. Additionally, radar systems can be congested with multiple aircraft and other operational demands, which may limit the controller's capacity to provide real-time weather information and guidance. Pilots should not solely rely on ATC for weather avoidance and must actively monitor weather conditions through other available resources, such as weather radar on board the aircraft, weather briefings, and other weather information services. They should also maintain situational awareness and communicate their weather concerns to ATC while understanding the potential limitations in receiving immediate assistance due to radar and frequency constraints.